All right, YouTube. So I browned the buns in the cast iron and I cooked the roast beef in the cast iron. I'll link those videos in the description. Now take this barbecue sauce, mix that into the beef. You're going to want to remove the buns and put that on medium and just work the hot barbecue sauce into that. Alright YouTube, so you could see how that barbecue sauce got worked into there. If you need more, just add a little bit more and just work it in. And you have the olive oil and butter. Now turn the pan off and let this just rest for like a couple minutes. Cast iron will stay warm and let it heat up. Alright YouTube, so to do the sandwich, spread that mayonnaise on top and then load a piece of tomato up and take the remaining mayonnaise and do that. Alright YouTube, so take your cast iron and that meat and just load that up. Look at that roast beef, and then look at the sauce that's in there. So take the sauce and just drizzle that over top. Alright YouTube, so you have that. Now flip that over and you have that really good sandwich. It might not look gourmet, but I can guarantee this tastes good. Look at that YouTube. Can't go wrong. So that's looking really good. And that's with that sweet honey barbecue sauce. And you'll have the sweet taste of the mayonnaise, the tangy. So this will go perfect together.